In the vast expanse of space, a cosmic entity has been lurking, its presence felt but unseen. What if a black hole drifted into our solar system? Imagine the terror of witnessing a void so dense, not even light can escape its grasp. The very fabric of space-time begins to unravel. The laws of physics as we know them would be pushed to the limit, and our understanding of the universe would be forever changed. But what would happen if this black hole were to enter our solar system? On a fateful day in the year 2050, astronomers at the Mauna Kea Observatory in Hawaii detected a strange, unidentifiable object hurtling towards our solar system. Dr. Maria Rodriguez, a renowned astrophysicist, was the first to sound the alarm. As the object drew closer, its massive gravitational pull began to disrupt the orbits of the outer planets, causing widespread chaos and destruction. The gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, were the first to be affected. The black hole, estimated to be approximately 10 solar masses, was now mere light-years away, and its presence was being felt throughout the solar system. The sun's corona began to fluctuate wildly. As the black hole's gravity continued to warp space-time, the inner planets, including Earth, began to experience strange and unpredictable phenomena. The planet's magnetic field started to weaken. The effects on Earth's climate were immediate and catastrophic, with massive storms and unprecedented temperature fluctuations. The polar ice caps began to melt at an alarming rate. As the situation continued to deteriorate, the world's top scientists and engineers converged on the United Nations to discuss a plan of action. Dr. John Taylor, a leading expert in gravitational physics, presented a radical proposal. The plan, dubbed Operation Gravity Shield, aimed to create a network of gravitational waves that would counteract the black hole's influence and stabilize the solar system. The technology, however, was still in its infancy. Subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking documentaries and stay up to date on the latest scientific discoveries. As the black hole drew closer, its gravity began to distort space-time in extreme ways, causing bizarre phenomena to occur throughout the solar system. Time dilation effects became apparent. The gravitational waves emitted by the black hole were so intense that they began to disrupt the orbits of nearby stars, causing them to collide and merge in spectacular fashion. The night sky was filled with newfound celestial wonders. The effects on Earth's geology were equally dramatic, with massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occurring as the planet's tectonic plates were rearranged. The landscape was forever changed. As the situation continued to spiral out of control, the world's top astronomers and physicists realized that their initial predictions had been grossly underestimated. The black hole's influence was far more profound than they had ever imagined. The black hole's event horizon, once thought to be a fixed boundary, was now expanding at an alarming rate, engulfing entire star systems and galaxies. The cosmic landscape was being rewritten. As the last remnants of our solar system were consumed by the void, the laws of physics as we knew them began to break down. The fabric of space-time was torn asunder. But just as all hope seemed lost, a strange phenomenon occurred. The black hole's gravity began to weaken, and its event horizon started to recede. The solar system was given a second chance. As the black hole's influence waned, the laws of physics began to reassert themselves, and the cosmic landscape began to heal. The stars and galaxies that had been consumed by the void began to re-emerge. The reversal was so sudden and unexpected that scientists were left stunned and bewildered. The black hole, once thought to be a cosmic monster, had become a catalyst for transformation. As the solar system returned to a state of equilibrium, the planet's magnetic field began to strengthen, and the climate began to stabilize. The Earth was given a new lease on life. Subscribe to our channel for more mind-bending documentaries and explore the unknown with us. In the aftermath of the black hole's passage, the solar system was reborn, with new celestial bodies and phenomena emerging from the ashes of the old. A new era of cosmic exploration and discovery had begun. The black hole, once a harbinger of doom, had become a catalyst for growth and transformation. The universe was forever changed, and humanity was given a new perspective on its place within the cosmos. As scientists continued to study the black hole's effects, They began to realize that the universe was full of mysteries and wonders waiting to be uncovered. The cosmic frontier was open for exploration. The discovery of exoplanets and distant star systems had opened up new possibilities for human colonization and expansion. The future of humanity was no longer tied to a single planet. Today, we look back on the black hole's passage as a turning point in human history, a reminder of the awe-inspiring power and mystery of the universe. The cosmos continues to hold secrets and surprises. As we continue to explore and understand the universe, we are reminded that the unknown is always just beyond our reach, waiting to be discovered. The black hole's legacy lives on, a reminder of the cosmos' infinite possibilities. The universe is full of mysteries, and the black hole's passage has left us with more questions than answers. What other secrets lie hidden in the cosmos, waiting to be uncovered? Join us next time as we explore more thought-provoking ideas and delve into the unknown. What if the universe has more surprises in store for us?